Yes, sir. That's very good. You enjoy?
Yeah. Give a little description of what that thing is.
Yeah, 1930 Model A roadster with a V6.
4.3 V6.
4.3.
700 R4 automatic. Got a 50 ohms rear end.
Yes, sir.
And it's ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, it's a steel body.
Oh yes, yes, it's all original steel body. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got a 50 ohms dash in it, 54 ohms steering wheel in it.
.54 old steering wheel.
Yeah.
50 old dash. Yes, sir. And the seats what?
Dodge Caravan.
Yeah.
Fits right in like a glove. My wife likes it for this reason. Here. It's a nice little arm.
Ah.
She likes that part.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's been a fun little car.
Yeah, very good. What do you think, Tiva?
Very nice. I love it. Get one for me.
Get one for you, okay?
Yeah, there
we'll
you go.
get a pair.
I hook my little camper on, take my dog, and off I go.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Well, very good. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.